Hi everyone, this is Rana. Welcome to a new light up card tutorial. We will create our today's card using the new Chibitronics Animating LEDs. The animating LEDs will be available in three shapes: flower, diamond, and heart. And my today's card features the breathing LEDs, which is in the heart shape, and these will be available in white and red. Now let's go ahead and start creating our card. First of all, I designed a simple circuit in the heart shape and used the stencil to draw all the LEDs on the circuit, then connected the negative pole and the positive pole to the battery place. I prepared the card base from a white cardstock, and I am using here the double-sided adhesive to attach the circuit to it. Now it's time to build the circuit, and I am using for that Chibitronics conductive fabric tape. In the Silhouette software, I designed a very simple battery holder using a square shape and a circle shape with the same diameter of the battery. Then I cut 3 layers of the design with my Silhouette portrait machine, and now I am gluing them together using the liquid adhesive. To make it possible to change the battery later, I am just gluing a piece of a normal copy paper on the battery holder so I can build the end of the positive pole on it. To complete building our circuit, I am adding the breathing animating LEDs. And to make sure that all the LEDs are perfectly connected to the circuit, I am securing them using the conductive fabric swatches. Now, look how awesome this breathing effect is. Okay, I just noticed that the holes that I created on the upper layer of the card base are not aligned perfectly with the LEDs. So what I did, I cut it and I glued a new one using the liquid adhesive to the card base. And now I am creating a new holes for the LEDs. I like to open my card and see the circuit inside, so I have the possibility in the future maybe to change the LEDs. And for that, I am giving some dimension for the card, which is equal to the battery dimension, by gluing 3 layers of a normal cardstock and creating some borders. And to make it possible to close and open, I am just attaching a magnet. I used the bigger rectangle from Magengo Designs in-out stitch rectangles die cut and created the holes for the LEDs, and now let's ink it together. As you know, the night sky is the perfect choice to create a light up card. And for today's sky, I am using Salty Ocean, Gyp Sapphire, and Black Sod Distress Oxide inks. And of course, a night sky needs some stars, so let's splatter it with the white watercolor. Now I am embossing separate stars on each hole using Versamark ink and white embossing powder. By using a white gel pen, I am connecting all the stars together to create a heart shape. Off the camera, I used Magengo Designs grass borders die cut to cut 2 different layers of the grass from 2 different shades of green cardstock. The stamps that I am using for today's card are from Magengo Designs from a stamp set named Our Memories. The sentiment that I choose for today's card is from the same stamp set and it's in German. Ich will niemals aufhören, mit dir Erinnerungen zu sammeln, which means I will never stop making memories with you. And this is our card for today, featuring Chibitronics Animating LEDs along with some products from Magengo Designs. I hope you like it as I did. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful crafting day. Bye!